Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to see how we can create GitHub repository using Terraform script. Okay, so for that let me jump to VS Code here and create main.tf. Okay, so and let me search. So for creating repository in GitHub, so we need to define provider. Okay, that is GitHub. Okay, so Terraform GitHub provider, let me search. And as you can see here, we have the example uses. Let me copy this. Okay, so let me copy this, and I don't want to use these things. Okay, as it is not required. So for like authentication, okay, we have to use our GitHub access token. Okay, so let's go down, and as we can see here, so token. Okay, so token optional, a GitHub or personal access token when not provided or made available via GitHub token. Okay, so we have to provide token here. Okay, so let's go here. So provider GitHub token var.token, so we have to provide our token. Okay, here, so here we can use token. Okay, that equal to, and I have my token already created. But if you don't have token created and you want to, then you have to go to the settings. Okay, and you have to go to the developer settings here, and you have to create personal access token and token classic, and you can generate new classic token from here. Okay, and you have to give the token name here, and you can choose the expiration date for the token, and you have to give all the access according to what is your requirement is. Okay, you have to check mark all the access. Okay, and you have to create the token, and you have to use that token here. But I have already created that token, so I am going to use this token only. Okay, so let me save this. As we have already defined our provider, now we are going to define a script to create like GitHub repository. Okay, so Terraform GitHub repository. Okay, just click on it, and you can see here. Okay, so GitHub repository example. So let me copy this code only and paste it here. As we are not going to use this section, let me remove it. Okay, and suppose like we want to create some other repository like testing for my on practice. Okay, so I am going to use this, and let me replace the name here as well, and let me save this code and go here, open the terminal, and let's run Terraform init first to initialize it. Okay, get init. So our backend is getting initialized, so let's wait for few seconds. Okay, as it's downloading the provider, it's taking bit time. Okay, so let's wait, and now provider is getting downloaded. So now run Terraform plan to see what our plan is. Plan 1 to add, as you can see here, name testing for my own practice. okay, that is GitHub repository. Go here, so resource GitHub repository testing for my own practice. Okay, now let's run Terraform apply. Yes, I want to create it. So our repository is getting created, okay, and our repository successfully get created. Now let's go to the GitHub and go here and click on your repositories and testing for my own practice. You can see here, right? So this repository successfully get created just now using Terraform script. Okay, so this is how we can create a GitHub repository using Terraform. Okay, so now we can clone this repository and we can start working. We can we can clone this repository and we can push any code from our local to this repository. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this video, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.